Oh, what you doing? You gotta move your fingers. You gotta move your fingers. Doesn't that hurt? Doesn't that hurt? Maybe. Maybe. Wow, these are really long fingers. Let me see. Move your hand for mommy. Move your hand. Move your hand. Skylar. Are you gonna... There you go. There's my big boy. Now I just need you to move your hand. Stubborn, like somebody else I know. Wake up. There you go. That's mommy's boy. Uh-oh, the hiccups. The hiccups? Skylar. Oh no. Now what? Poor baby. And there's nothing that we can do. You just gotta grow. I'm sorry. Get your finger out of your nose. You okay? Let mommy see. Oh, poor baby. What if we sit you up a little bit more? Is that better? You don't have to make that face. Papa. Say hi. Say hi, Daddy. Are you gonna wave again? Good job, Skylar. Will you open your eyes? Open your... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, you're going to sleep? Skylar. Skylar. Uh-oh. You're having the most serious hiccup fit ever. What is going on? Are you growing? No? That's not true. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, we gotta cover you back up, kid. Say bye. Say bye-bye. No bye-bye? Nothing? Skylar's too cool for bye-bye.